Hello and welcome back. Today, it's the end of the day, January 31st. It's finally not dark outside at 6 o'clock. I just got out of work. I'm going to my little brother and friend's shop. I'm gonna go look at my new car. We just got a new key. I haven't actually put it on camera yet, but it's a little right-hand drive car. I think in my last video I said I was gonna get a right-hand drive car, and I have. So yeah, we're gonna put that on camera. We're gonna see, the little guy. I'm gonna document some stuff about it because I want to project car it a little bit, maybe restore it, paint it a little bit, get some parts. I got some parts on order. The key just broke on me yesterday, so that kind of sucked. Is that an M5 or a 5 Series? So we'll do a little time lapse here. Little zoom. Go see some sights, because it's actually nice out. It's so nice out. I'm so happy. It's so nice out. It's not even that hot. They're hitting it. Hit it. Yeah. That's OD. I'm learning. We're getting there. Little pop-ups. Nothing crazy. Soon enough though. I'm gonna be like Brian 636, doing crazy wheelies. What? Road closed? No, I can make a right here, right? No? I can't even make a right here, bruh. Oh my god, they goofed it all. Bruh, I made myself look stupid in front of the Huz. That's crazy. What are they putting over here? A giant building? Oh my god. My city, what is my city turning into? Luxury apartments for what? We're all broke. Finally.
Yo, I'm scared for Ronan. Yo, Loki, watch.
Look, 1994 Subaru Vivio. This is it, my new car. Good times, fun times. I'm over here at N Spec. We're gonna align it real quick. You actually think you could align this thing?
Yeah, bro. I think those gold plates.
You could align anything.
How we get on the plates? I think we're pushy.
Look, this is where you need to come. South Florida, N Spec. We got cool stuff here. This is interesting, actually. This thing is so small. Like, bro, we're not even.
This whole plate's gotta hang off the edge for it.
We're not even like, oh my goodness, within an inch. Ooh. It's light, bro. It weighs like 1,500 pounds. So far, I got my sub back here, 2 speakers. That's really it. I got a new tail light coming in. That should be here in March.
Oh, the arms do fit.
Huh?
The arms do fit.
Look at that. It's crazy. Look at this. The 13s. We got zip ties.
Yo, hold the sensor. Bro, the sensor the size of the movie.
That was crazy.
Look, Matt, stand right here. Not in front of the sensor, like stand right here. And when I do the roll, make sure it doesn't fall off the rack.
I'm gonna go slow though. You gotta hit him. I'm gonna go slow. You're good. Stop. I was big enough because look, it's all on the stuff like. Perfect. You're good.
Don't know.
You gotta record this past your sleep.
You want to be mic'd up for this? I got mics.
Mic'd up.
Okay.
Is this gonna be me breathing while turning my head to that light? You know what a Subaru Standard is?
No.
That's what I scanned it in as.
That's standard.
Oh, that's this. Low key, same shit.
That is not the same, bro. It looks like a Beetle. Hey, look, that's it.
Let me look. Okay.
That's the exact same
Subaru
car.
Standard. That's what people call it.
Bro, I've never heard of that one before. But
Yo, you ever heard of the Vivio called a 1994 Subaru Standard?
Well, yeah, it's standard transmission.
No, bro. But
That's
look,
what people
look
call
through
it.
the
Look,
pictures because
1994
I think
Subaru Standard, and then it's a Vivio.
look through the picture. I think this is Matt's. It is. This is my car.
When was this?
Yeah, who knows? This
Is it? Oh, it had
look,
a stock
OEM steering
at one
wheel.
point. Oh, it had a back
It had
seat
the
at
back
one
seat.
point.
Bro, I hate it here.
Bro,
Bro,
that
actually
thing
look
was
kind of
so
clean.
nice. Now I have
So wait,
to-
that's what I scanned it in as. A
and it
Subaru
showed up that
Standard.
exact one.
Subaru Standard.
So I'm on-
We're learning about this little car right now. Hey, don't touch that. Stop touching it. It was gonna fall off regardless. Let's take a look underneath.
Which looks like an F40 under here.
It looks like an F40. It's actually very clean under here. Why it's missing so much?
It goes all the way through.
What the heck?
You can slot for rear camera in the back.
Bro, this is the easiest coilover install I've ever seen in my whole life.
All right, bet. So I'm gonna
I
get
can
him.
switch out every Arbin this in like
You could
5
probably
minutes.
put FRS.
Is this
front
the filter?
Front suspension on the. That's fuel filter.
Oh, that's easy to get to. That's amazing.
That's all car is.
Bro, if you get these adjustable, look, if you get a straight eBay adjustable arm,
Yeah.
you
No,
get-
you could
you-
go to Tractor Supply.
you
and
can
get
swap
it
both of them
adjustable.
out with this, and it's low key dead even on the car. You can just max them out and have like negative 20 degrees. You
But
can
also look, it has. You can slot that for the knuckle.
oh shit, you're right.
There's drums in the rear. Wow.
I feel like this is exactly like FRS suspension, but for the front.
Bah.
You should try to do. Oh wait, you could try it with. We have FRS suspension in that box over there.
That's way too big, actually. I think.
Yeah.
Because FRS is like what 2,000 pounds heavier. Oh wait, they are really tiny.
No, that's the rear. The front's big. It looks the same as this.
This an older FRS? No, that's huge.
It's like newer.
That won't work.
It's
I need
same
golf
size.
cart suspension.
Bro, this is where it has to be for the where it gets the back sensor.
Huh?
For some reason,
Oh, because it's we'll raise the thing.
raise what? I did. It's all the way up. That's where it has to be for it to read the back sensor.
You're supposed to go under that.
Bro, I'm got the rear camper or the rear alignment good though.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Yo, Matt, where's your rolling stool? Yo, this is more comfortable than standing up. Yo, look at this. Yo, oh, I'm chilling, bro. Wait, I'm not gonna lie.
You're gonna do all the
You saw how it's done all that fried shit and everything? I'm about to just turn this and see if I can fix it.
We're gonna make this that blue in the star. That's the color we're going for. So we're gonna get it painted in a month or two after I get the tail light in, get all the bumps and dents pulled out.
What you doing if you walk in the shop and you're just like, what the frick are you working on, bro?
What is that?
Yo, is it like that to sit down and do an alignment?
Think about how much our environment
No, low key. This shit kinda tough. I'm going over the rack a little more.
Oh my god.
No, that's how I was done. I have to.
It had good paint at some point. It had no tint at some point. This is so crazy. It came from Japan with
Let me
the
put the sensor back on so I can take a picture of you doing the lines on.
it came from Japan with all those like dents and crap. But, like no, it's pretty close to what it was, except for the taillight was okay when it came in.
82,000 miles. What's it at now? It's at 132,000 kilometers on this list.
It's at 160 right now.
Oh, yeah. For like 15,000 miles. Just add an Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay.
it anymore. I think John took it out.
7-inch.
I was so mad they had a rear seat and I don't have a rear seat. I don't know where it got lost. Probably the guy we bought it from. Yeah, so this is it. Look at, we get good alignment. Boom, bump, and then this is after. Boom, bump. Good job. And spec. That's where we come in. We'll pick this up at a later date. Thank you.